Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw step by step a fat little pig. He's a cute guy. He's got a smile on his face, spots on his back, and he is enjoying the sunshine. But hey, before we do, if you would just give me a quick thumbs up, that would be awesome to help push this video out to a wider audience here on YouTube. I'd really appreciate it. All right, let's get to drawing. Okay, first thing we're going to do is to draw a large circle, so more like an oval or an ovoid shape. This will give us the direction of his body here. And then now we're going to draw his head using a similar shape, just more toward the front of his body. All right, let's establish his nose here, and we've kind of, I'm going to try and get the head to have a 3/4 view. So get that half circle, that's going to be his snout, and then when you curve around and get the top of his head, make sure you draw his head with more of a straight line. Curve around the bottom for his snout there. And let's establish where his eyes are going to go. And then he's squinting, because when a person is really happy, usually they squint because their smile is so big. Let's get his ears in, and we're going to start off with a straight line going across and almost a V shape to signify his ear there. Now when I draw his other ear, you might want to pause the video, because just look at the close detail that I'm trying to establish by the power of overlap. Let's get some surface lines over the top of his snout. And we're going to get a nice big smile. So it's almost like a roller coaster. It goes up and down and swings all the way around right close to his eye. This gives him a nice long grin.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this.
And of course, if you need to, you could refer to the pictures on the left-hand side there. Let's get his feet, and you want to make sure these are small. This gives nice contrast. And if you haven't already, I would love to have you give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up on the videos is a great way to say thanks, and really helps YouTube to push the video around to other people. So appreciate greatly a nice thumbs up on the video. Let's get that tail in place there. And we're going to add some spots on this pig. And spots are interesting. They're like adding detail. They make it look interesting. And the more interesting things we can add to a drawing, they tell a better story, and it makes it so much more satisfying as the viewer. All right, let's get his underbelly here. Underneath his chin here. Now I'm almost done with my underdrawing, and this should be drawn very lightly. So all that's left now is to darken things up and add some details. If you've noticed in the examples I've given, I've added some like little stubble hairs coming out of his chin, a couple hairs on his back. These are all very, very interesting. And that's going to bring us to the end to our smiling pig. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. All right, have a great day. See you later.